reckon it's unreal. That for me, that's the entrance.
Yeah, it's quite beautiful.
Laundry. It just feels wrong. Sounds wrong. I think you picked up earlier was storage.
Yeah, there's really not much going on in here, is there?
There's no bugger at all.
There is no linen store in here.
I wonder if what's happening under the stairs. There's something there. I love this joinery
Yeah, that's beautiful.
feature.
Oh, well, that's nicely resolved.
Oh, there's a linen. Look how much linen there is. And a little
Cheeky wine fridge.
wine fridge and another storage. I think overall this space, I don't think it will win this week, but for me it's so sellable.
Yeah, wow.
Wow, George and Sarah's.
Oh my gosh, I love this week on the block, seeing the whole inside of the house come together.
Pretty impressive hallway to start with.
Beautiful hallway. I'm loving the shadow play from the light fitting. Not my favourite light fitting, but I really love what it's doing in the hallway.
What I'm loving about the powder room is they haven't tiled the whole thing. They've
Yeah.
only gone up to about 1.5.
Yeah.
How good's this?
Wow.
This is probably my favourite feature this
How
week.
have they afforded this at this point in the competition? This is phenomenal.
That is a really nice door. That is high end. What a cool little, well, what a great laundry, I should say. The glass splashback is pretty good detail, how it's almost just all glass, there's no frame. And then how light and bright is it in here?
Wow, I love that picture window.
Well, these are the only guys that have opted for the open tread stairs on the second run. All in all, this is pretty nice hallway laundry. Okay, I don't mind it.
I don't mind it, it's quite warm. They've got a really warm white on the walls.
I like the idea of the skylight, just get some more natural light in here.
Yep, I'm with you, I do.
Great.
You're right, I definitely prefer an open staircase.
George and Sarah had the open staircase and it just flowed better.
Isn't it? The light that it brought through from that fixed window.
What a great entrance. I mean, I think you look at the chevron floor, that Luke slate, I really like this detail.
That is beautiful. This is a beautiful introduction to a home. It feels so warm and inviting.
I'll tell you what, the steel door feels very low.
Who would suggest that height?
Great size laundry.
Yeah. Is that a fridge?
That's a drying thing. That dries all your
How do we open it?
that dries your clothes. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. That's the coolest thing in here.
Yeah.
Okay. Check the stairs out. I like this stairwell though.
Yeah, it's a nice balustrade. It's
the
really
steel back.
echoey coming through here.
It still matches the steel door.
Yep.
Again, it just feels rushed. I'm seeing paint all over the steel door here. I'm seeing paint on the spigots here.
Oh yes, look at the floor.
Yeah.
I love this in an entryway, I really do, because shoes are dirty and messy and could have stones on them. Oh, look at that light. The best light that's ever been on the block.
What an amazing entrance. How cool is this feature wall? And what is behind it? That is awesome.
That pivot door is beautiful.
Yep.
It's a very beautiful laundry though.
Yeah. All right, we've come from a really good space. Oh dear.
Oh,
Oh dear. This plastering's really let this space down because we've come from nearly perfection to this.
you can't have that light behind a wall plastered like that.
That for me is just not acceptable for plaster.
No, not at all.
Well, the houses are all finished.
They are?
I have a clear chump.
You do? Good, thank the Lord.
House 3.
House 3, yeah.
There's structural components that are out of level that are going to cost a lot of money to fix.
I'm with you, that's my chump for sure. I don't like the floor plan of their laundry and powder room area. There's a whole bunch of wasted space there. Champ.
Well, clearly for me, House 2 is my champ.
Yeah.
Their styling was on point this week. The execution was really good.
House 2, the steel door alone. So beautiful. Champs for sure.